I'm Sid Sahrawat, chef and owner of Sid the French Cafe, Cassia and Sirat. There's not a better legacy in New Zealand than the French Cafe. Chand and I had one of our first dates here. We've always loved the French Cafe, so to make it our own and make it Sid the French Cafe is very special to us. We wanted to put our own identity to it, but still leave the essence of the legacy or the French Cafe. When I design a dish, first thing for me is the core ingredient, the texture, temperature, and the flavor profile. For chefs, a plate is a canvas. The way I cook food and plate, for me, it's just these little strokes as an artist would make on his canvas. As you grow as a chef, you look at food slightly different all the time. And for me now, food is very simple to me in terms of the way we put it on the plate, but it's about achieving real high quality ingredients, still having it with unusual combinations, but pushing the envelope as much as possible. New Zealand cuisine is very driven by the nature, the seasons, and the quality of produce we have. Treating that produce or that ingredient with respect and trying to show what's New Zealand about it. There's a lot of ingredients that are grown in New Zealand, which a lot of people don't know about. Reindeer moss, trevally and smoked eel, and that's the beauty about having small producers and artisan growers is you're just maximizing or achieving the best of what is good on the day. The Gaggenau Test Kitchen happens first Tuesday every month. The whole concept is 6 courses and 2 dishes from each restaurant. They're not dishes that are on the menu, they're dishes we're developing. Being in the test kitchen, we can push the boundaries of the different cuisines. When we serve the canapes, we tell them, oh, this is a dish from my hometown, but we've changed it with a certain ingredient to highlight a different texture or elevate the actual flavor profile. A dish that we're enjoying at the moment, slightly closer to my roots, is a dish on Wagyu Beef. We do it with an Indian slant where we saute a lot of exotic mushrooms from New Zealand with a karai sauce. Karai sauce is a real fragrant North Indian sauce. Lots of onions, ginger garlic, seeds, spices, tomato, a bit of acid. And when you saute that with these beautiful mushrooms, that basically links the best of New Zealand produce with the best of Indian ingredients. It's interesting how the diners actually love coming in and being a part of what's being cooked in there. We encourage them to come and cook with us, plate with us. It's a lot of fun, and that's what we want it to be. A lot of them have the most beautiful equipment in their homes now. They're sous videing meat and they're cooking things as refined as possible, so a lot of them don't even need to go out to restaurants. So when they come to eat out, we have to give them something very special. That's what I think we're all aspiring to do, is our own kind of style of food, service, and our own experience. We'll just constantly keep working at it.